Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, where we're showing you things coming in or going out of the shop. And we're just proud to show you this Coke cooler. And we have some photos of the before, but this project has been around a long time because it took us a while to figure out how to get the compressors changed. So we changed the compressors to totally new. We rebuilt the case, we changed all the gaskets, and we redid the inside. And see, all of this is now finished in automotive finish on the inside. So we have some of the original fiberglass, and then we have all the metal being painted inside. Now you can see that it was a coin operated, and this is the kind that went from both sides. So when you were in the general store and people could walk down both sides of the aisle and they could get their Coke from this side or from that side. So it's a pretty cool, 72 inches long, one of the biggest ones we've worked on. And we built some panels that were missing, so we had to fabricate panels, and as I said, do a lot of the electrical work. So these are projects that we're getting that sometimes take a year or better to complete, or longer. So we hope that you will send us something. Go to our website, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel, and send us something that we can fix for you. Thanks for watching.